Hi everybody, Florida Trailblazer, checking in with all of you out here in this beautiful wilderness, enjoying scenic nature, roaming through the woods, just taking it all in as much as I can. And I wanted to say hello and thank you for the incredible support. It means so much. I wanted to say that I'm thinking about all of you during these anxious, stressful times of this crisis that we're in with the coronavirus. And right now, more than ever, I'm cherishing these places, the outdoors, these wilderness spaces. Out here, there's nobody or nothing around for miles. The only things I can see are trees, rolling hills, birds flying in the distance, a nice breeze coming through, sun shining. It just feels so good to get out in these places. I don't take them for granted. And I encourage all of you, if you can, to get outside in a safe way though, and responsible way. Keeping your distance from others as much as you can. And I can't believe that I'm saying these kinds of things, but this is the world that we live in right now. Things are changing. When you're out here, you get a sense of yourself and you connect with the nature. It's really peaceful and complete solitude out here. Now, some of you aren't able to get outside, and I'm doing my best to make these videos and put all of you in the experience to the best of my ability for as long as I can. Hi everybody, me again. Wanted to mention that if you are going to go outside and get into nature, experience the great outdoors, relieve some stress and anxiety, just make sure you check the areas where you live and the restrictions that may apply to the parks, the state forests, the wildlife management areas, the water management districts, and so on. Because many of these places have been closed down, and it's very limited in my area as well. So many of the campsites here have been closed. All I can do is hike in some of these places. So make sure to check all those things before you do go out into the woods.